Hi, this is Rakesh Ramakrishnaya from Team Linkeye. You're watching a quick product demo of Linkeye. As soon as you log into Linkeye application, you will land into Overview dashboard. This is an executive dashboard for head of IT or head of NOC who would want to understand at any given point of time what are the sites being monitored, how many are up, how many are down. Apart from that, they would also want to understand geo mapping of all the sites being monitored. Anything apart from blue is bad under the site geo map. We are also tracking different performance parameters like average site uptime, number of IASP, SLA breaches, worst performing links, best performing sites, worst performing sites, so on and so forth. Second dashboard is Linkeye's dashboard. This is useful for the NOC team who would want to understand the status of all the links being monitored and categorized into different category based on their health. Now, the unique feature of the tool is not only monitors, but for every link that is degraded, the tool would perform first level troubleshooting on behalf of a network engineer like this, as you can see here, and arrive at a root cause. All of this is done by the tool in less than 30 seconds. Your MTTI now using Linkeye is 30 seconds, not 30 minutes. Another dashboard is site-wise. If you would want to understand what is the link provisioned for a particular site and how is it performing, or not just link but the entire WAN infrastructure, this is the go-to dashboard. You start by entering the location, and once you press enter, you'll get to know the status of the edge device, specifically the WAN edge device, and how many links are provisioned. Out of that, how many are up or how many are down. Not just that, for every single link, you will be able to see network performance parameters like latency, jitter, packet loss, uptime. Not just that, even utilization as well. Next dashboard is app monitor. Linkeye not only performs monitoring of links and the WAN devices, but also critical applications flowing over internet on behalf of the user. It could be SaaS or internal. How does it do? It uses a network pluggable hardware agent. It does monitoring on behalf of an user. For starters, it will tell whether the applications that it is tracking is available or good, and it can also tell that if network parameters like latency, jitter, packet loss is affecting the reachability of the application itself. Now you can learn business critical application outages before user complains. The next dashboard is under insights. Under insights, specifically under bandwidth trend, you can get to know for a given location what is the bandwidth consumption, right? For example, let's say Bangalore HQ, right? It has got 3 links. For this particular link, the provision speed is 200 Mbps. But if you can see, there's a graphical representation of what is actually used, and it can also show you in numbers that throughout the quarter the max average bandwidth usage is just around 10 or 11 Mbps. So you've got sufficient bandwidth. Now scaling up or downsizing depends on such data driven facts. Lastly, you have inventory, where you can get to know the inventory of links and edge devices being monitored. This is downloadable. Thank you for watching this video. If you want a detailed demo, please contact me at rakesh@linkeye.team. Thanks again. Have a nice day. Bye.